Michael, good evening.
Hello. Yeah, how are you?
Very well. How can I help you?
So I'm trying to find out what to do next, or whether I've got a chance of succeeding. Basically, I had a car accident, and my insurance company paid out on my car accident. It hasn't been concluded yet. They said to me they're going to pay me X amount of money for my car, which was to be scrapped. I said I'll scrap it myself because I can get more money for it. So that's what I did. Several weeks, months later, they rung me up a couple of times saying, we need your car because we need to scrap it. I said, well, I scrapped it myself, and I told you I was scrapping it myself, and that's why you didn't pay me the X amount of money. So they said, oh, okay, fine, no problems. And then they rung me up recently and said, no, we paid you out an amount of money, and we want that money back because you scrapped it yourself. Now, they've had an investigation and they've agreed that they didn't tell me. They told me the wrong amount. They didn't tell me the 2 times that they called up and asked for my car back that this was wrong. They've agreed all this. They've admitted that they made every mistake all the way along and paid me £100 in compensation. But they're still asking for the additional money back.
Yeah, what's the additional salvage value that you got?
£250.
Oh, God, don't you hate insurance companies?
Yeah.
Arguing over that.
And I just said, I didn't want the £100 compensation. I just said, look, you just need to you're not getting this £250 back. Just, write it off and call it a day because I've spent that money and I haven't got it to give you.
Yeah.
So now they've given me £100 in compensation, and I've got 6 months with which to go to the ombudsman.
Yeah.
And I've got a letter from the insurance company saying they admit that they have done everything wrong and never told me.
Michael, you're going to be fine with this. I'm fairly confident the ombudsman will rule in your favour, but do go to them within the 6 months. But no judge is going to order you to repay that £250 back if they said that you can sell the car yourself and keep any excess that you get by way of scrappage or salvage. And then you did that relying on what they said. And you've since spent the money, believing it to be rightfully yours. Because there is a law called, I'm going to say this and spell it for you. It's a really weird word, but you can Google it afterwards. The word is estoppel. ESTOPPEL, estoppel. And that's the legal principle that says, irrespective of the rights and wrongs of the contractual position, of the insurance contract position, if an insurance company tells you something that's wrong and you rely on it and you do something because of it and you then spend the money you've made believing that you've got their permission, they can't sue you for that money back.
Right. They can't put me in a better position than before. But
the word to put in a letter to them and to Google yourself is estoppel.
Estoppel.